Hey guys, this is OSR Garage. I'm Jim, and today we are going to put new bulbs in the headlight of my 2018 F-150 and see if we can get the nighttime driving a little bit better since we put that tint on. So this is the stock headlights. This is the dims. There's the brights. Can't tell a whole lot of difference, but we definitely will be getting those switched out. Okay guys, since we're going to be changing these bulbs out, I'm going to show you what we're going to be putting in. I just have the halogen lights. I don't have the LED lights. So as you all know, those halogen lights have that little bit of a yellowish to it. I like the whiter light. Plus, if they're not as strong and you can't see as far down the road. And then once I had the tint put on and I had that windshield tint put on, even though it's only 55 at night, it made them even dimmer. It's not horrible, but it did make a difference, and we're going to make those a little bit brighter, and I'll show you what we're going to be using. So what I decided to use were these Silverstar Ultras. I have used these in previous vehicles and they are awesome. They don't last as long. I've even had some go out as early as 6 months depending on how much you're using them. But they are a lot brighter, they're a lot wider light, and you can see on the sides of you, the peripheral, a lot better. So that's what we're going to be installing. Hopefully these will last at least a year. So I don't want to take these headlights out again. And the other thing that I always do when I do this is to replace all of them at once. That way I'm not 2 months down the road, one goes out, and then I have to buy new ones and pull everything apart again. So this time we're just going to change out with these Silverstar Ultras. Alright, to get to these bulbs, change them out. We're going to take these bolts out of these splash guards in the fender wells, and we're going to move that out of the way, and then we'll have the two bulbs should be exposed right about right here. One clip right here. I don't know if you can see that on the screen or not, but we got to get that, pop that clip out to be able to move this stuff up out of the way. We got this loose now. Pull this back. You can see there's the light there, and the other one's up above that one. They're right there. Louder here. Okay, guys, headlights are changed. What I found out was that the dims or lows were already Silverstar Ultras. So I went ahead and changed those out anyway so that they were new, and put the new ones in the brights. So they are Silverstar Ultra also. And I did adjust the headlights because I had lifted the front end up about 1.5 inches and they were not set right. So I did lower those down. And here's what it looks like with the brights on now. You can see that's a lot better. That stop sign down there is like really bright. Everything in front of me is really good. I can see a lot better. That's the way it should be.